This is what a normal rainforest like the Amazon should look like. But this is what the Amazon rainforest looks like right now. Okay, the Amazon isn't burning at this exact moment, but this is what it looked like at the start of the year. For reference, the Amazon is 5.5 million square kilometers, which is 7,623 times the size of Singapore. Known as the world's largest rainforest, it covers most of Brazil, extends to Peru, Colombia, and even other South American countries. The Amazon is known for its abundant amount of minerals and biodiverse population of animals and trees, yet the rainforest has been burning at a drastic rate since January of 2019. Indeed, forest fires do appear in the Amazon, especially during its dry seasons that appear in July and October. Yet, the burning reached a peak when almost 3 times more individual fires happened than usual. According to a 2019 BBC article titled Amazon Fire, What's the Latest in Brazil?, the Amazon hit a high number of 30,901 individual fires. Moreover, this issue is known worldwide because this story spread like wildfire all over social media. Yet, there are many who aren't aware of how the Amazon rainforest began to burn. The main cause for the world's largest rainforest to deteriorate is deforestation. The issue of deforestation has been happening since the 1970s, when the Brazilian military saw an opportunity to profit the vast amounts of ores, minerals, and food available. But these natural resources weren't accessible, to which the government encouraged its citizens to move upwards into the forest away from Rio de Janeiro. And they were able to do that by giving citizens free land. These communities used the free land to pasture cows. But as they started pasturing more cows, they needed more land, and this led to the practice of deforestation. The ranchers would simply seize a plot of land, clear the surrounding trees by burning them, and then continue growing their cattle, and they would repeat this harmful cycle over and over again. But why should we care about this burning rainforest that is known as the lungs of our world? According to a 2019 CNN article titled The Amazon is Burning Because the World is Eating So Much Meat, the rainforest is the world's largest exporter of beef, providing close to 20% of total global exports. Rachel Garrett, a professor of human dimensions of global change at Boston University, says deforestation is largely due to land clearing that is used for agricultural purposes, such as cattle ranching. Garrett explains that cattle production is at a low profit margin that requires a massive amount of land, which leads to farmers illegally clearing the forest. It is estimated that 12% of the Amazon is used for agriculture. According to a 2010 BBC article titled Brazil, Amazon Deforestation Falls a New Low, deforestation had decreased substantially from 2004 to 2014. This was because strict environmental protections were passed by President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva in 2004 as his workers' parties tracked down on illegal land clearing in the Amazon. But President Silva's efforts were cut in 2018 when President Temer had loosened enforcement regarding deforestation laws, slashed the environmental budget, and even opened the Amazon to mining. In a 2019 National Geographic article titled This Map Shows Millions of Acres of Lost Amazon Rainforests, it showed that 1.1 million acres of the Amazonian rainforest had been cleared due to deforestation in August of 2017 to 2018. In a 2019 New York Times article titled Under Brazil's Far-Right Leader, Amazon Protection Slashed and Forest Falls, quoted President Bolsonaro's statement that Brazil's vast and protected lands were an obstacle to Brazil's economic growth, and that he would open up these lands, the Amazon, to commercial exploitation. The increased demand of beef means that farmers have to expand their cattle production, and this means illegal deforestation practices that are burning off the Amazon. Even President Silva's efforts to save the Amazon were cut short by President Temer and Bolsonaro because they cut the environmental budget, thinking that saving the Amazon would hinder Brazil's economic growth. But this is causing the Amazon to burn. The real reason the Amazon rainforest is burning is not only on obvious answers like dry seasons and global warming, but it's due to the careless efforts placed by the Brazilian government on illegal deforestation that is happening because there's an increased consumption of beef. These are the factors that are causing the Amazon to burn.